Just a short video. Vauxhall Corsa 2012 1.4 litre petrol throttle pedal replacement. It's quite difficult to get under the footwell and take video of this, but I'm going to take that clip out to remove this heater vent. It just slots onto the heater box like that, and it will give you a bit more room to get onto the throttle body screws. You want to unclip the electrical connector, which has a sliding locking mechanism. Slide that out, the connector pulls up. Then there are two screws at the top of the throttle pedal, two 10mm screws, one on either side. And it just slots into a slot on the bottom of the pedal. Here's the new and the old one side by side, so it's easier to see. Two 10mm socket screws slide into a slot on the bottom. Obviously, replacement is just the reverse. Slot it in, do the two screws up, refit the connector, making sure the sliding lock is all the way in. Then if you've got a fault code reader, you can view the live data to make sure as you press the pedal it's seeing that pedal is being pressed. And once it's all back together, go for a road test, double check there's no fault codes in it. This was going into limp mode with engine light on intermittently. The only fault was the throttle pedal sensor.